solve, 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 settle, 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 resolve, 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 address, 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 remedy, 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 solve. For example, the team worked together to solve the coding error before the product launch. Settle. For example, the company decided to settle the lawsuit to avoid a prolonged court battle. Resolve. For example, management met to resolve the ongoing dispute between the departments. Address. For example, during the meeting, we must address the issue of declining sales. Remedy. For example, the company offered several remedies to address employee complaints.